Welcome to Leaseweb Tech Demo. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a GPU-optimized public cloud instance directly from your Leaseweb Customer Portal. First, log in to your Leaseweb Customer Portal. From the main menu, select Public Cloud and then click Launch Instance to get started. On the Launch page, you'll begin by configuring your instance. Start by choosing a region. If you need to switch to another region sales organization, simply click your profile in the top right and switch accounts. You can also name your instance to easily identify it later in the customer portal. Next, choose between an OS image or custom image. OS images include pre-configured operating systems like Linux or Windows. Custom images, on the other hand, allow you to build with a specific workload in mind, with customized applications, libraries, and data. You also have the options to select control panel licenses and additional software licenses if they are compatible with a selected OS. Now, configure your instance by selecting which type, vintage, size, and storage you require. Leaseweb offers different instance types, such as general purpose, compute or CPU optimized, memory optimized, and GPU optimized. Our GPU-optimized instances are designed to support compute-intensive workloads, including machine learning training and inference, small LLM inferences, GPU-accelerated graphics rendering, and VDI for virtual workstations with more concurrent users. Our G6 instances can be launched with 1 to 4 NVIDIA L4 GPUs and are a great choice for teams looking to develop their first AI or ML workloads. Next, in case you need to customize your public cloud instance during initialization, we offer Cloud Init support to meet your needs, from security configurations to software installation and network setups. Optionally, you can add a public SSH key in plain text for secure access and attach a security group that has already been created on the Leaseweb Customer Portal. Additionally, choose your storage type. GPU-optimized instances only allow local NVMe SSD for high-performance IOPS and throughput and low latency, but for other instances, we also offer central network-attached SSD storage for high availability and built-in redundancy. Select your preferred billing model. You can choose between on-demand, where you pay hourly, or opt for prepaid commitments at a discounted price. Committed instances include prorated billing for periods before your commitment term begins. Once you've reviewed your configuration, click Launch. Your instance will be created, and you can track its progress in the Instance Overview page. And that's it. You've successfully created a GPU-optimized public cloud instance with Leaseweb Tech Demo. Visit our website for more information about our pricing and availability in the different regions. Thanks for watching.